Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate power solution, keeping all your devices charged on the go. We've all been there, scrambling for an outlet. But this portable charger makes low battery anxiety a thing of the past. With an incredible 20,000 mAh capacity, it can fully charge an iPhone six times over, perfect for travel or busy days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible charge every single time. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, share with a friend, or charge your phone and tablet at once. This isn't just any power bank. It's a reliable, high-performance investment that truly delivers on its promise of unwavering power. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger for your electronics in 2025, the PowerCore 20000mAh is a top contender. Want to experience true freedom from outlets? Check out the Amazon link in the description to get yours today. Thousands trust Anker for their charging needs, and after using this, you'll understand why it's a must-have gadget. For anyone serious about keeping their tech powered, I wholeheartedly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh. It's an essential for 2025 and beyond.